Hi everyone, here is Vivi from Guangzhou Tycorun Energy China. Our company focuses on battery swapping station system, and we have already integrated the 4 parts of change cabinet, batteries, application, and motorcycles. We are able to provide customers with a complete set of solutions. A few weeks ago, we have some clients from Pakistan and America. We took them to visit our factories. They can see how we make products and discuss with our engineers face to face. Express their needs for the project so that we can produce products that are more in line with their situation and promote the completion of the project faster and more effectively. Our battery factory has a big test workshop, acupuncture area, heavy impact area, and constant temperature, and so on. To fully test every product, make sure that the battery is in good condition and could be used the right way when customer receive. In the second area is our battery pack line. All the battery will be tested 3 times before shipment. And next, we took the customer to our motorcycle factory. In the exhibition hall, there are a lot of different models of scooters, motorcycles, and tricycles. In order to help our clients to meet their needs, we accompany them to meetings online with engineers. And our engineers have a lot of valuable experience in producing batteries and battery swapping stations, and we have the ability to offer a complete set of customized service. And we have already offered the solutions to clients from different countries such as India, Mexico, Sri Lanka, and so on. If you want to know more information, please contact with me.